Jeff wants to wear another dress in our Christmas video. That's not surprising.
Hey girl, hey!
Do not blow this. It's my turn. Everything that's on this moment.
Angela, could I get some more mimosa?
It's 9 a.m. Sure.
I didn't even want to play Operation anyways. I'm gonna go play Twister.
These pretzels are making me thirsty. Fine. And all of a sudden the squid attacked my face. It was sucking the hair off of my head. And I started fighting and gasping for air, trying to push it away, and started yelling back at the boat for help. It turned out it was just a piece of black plastic.
G9. Miss.
At the bottom of the ocean, and I was staring at a killer whale, and all I could think